3D printing and nostalgia go together so well. And I'm going to show you some things that I made from my childhood that are going to bring you back. Got to start with this figure of Batman from Batman, the animated series, in the most iconic pose of all time. Next up is OG Bowser. Now, this was before all the fancy multicolor printers were out, so all these pieces were printed and then glued in place by hand. So it took forever, but I absolutely love it.
Run for your life! He's got the Halo 1 pistol!
So those are my 3 favorite nostalgia 3D prints. If there's something that you had in your childhood that you think we should print out, just let me know and we'll give it a shot.